Have you ever considered hiking under the full moon? It's a breathtaking experience. Here are 5 tips for beginners wanting to venture out in 2024. First, plan ahead. Check the lunar calendar and pick a clear night. Second, gear up. A headlamp with a red light setting is a must. It preserves night vision and helps you see the trail clearly. Third, dress in layers. Nighttime can be chilly, even in summer. Fourth, pick an easy trail. It's best to start with a route you're familiar with. And lastly, respect the wildlife. Remember, you're a guest in their home, so gear up, respect nature, and experience the magic of moonlit trails. Happy hiking!